Welcome to Module 7. In this module, we're going to cover the following two lessons. When should you sell your stock? And guidelines for selling your stock. Let's begin with Lesson 20. When should you sell your stock? There's 4 reasons why you may consider selling your shares. Do you need the money? Is the stock overvalued? Is it no longer a quality stock? And is there a better opportunity elsewhere? Let's take a look at these 4 reasons in more detail. Do you need the money? At the end of the day, you're investing for yourself. You're investing so that you'll have money to purchase a new home, to start a new business, to make some renovations, maybe even for higher education or for travel. There's so many reasons why you may need the money and why you started investing in the first place. So if you need the money, that would be a reason for selling some of your shares. But remember your opportunity costs. You will be foregoing any future dividends or capital appreciation for any stocks that you do sell. Is the stock overvalued? If it is, that could be a reason for selling some of your shares. Remember, we covered this in the previous module. A stock is overvalued or priced high when its current dividend yield is less than its average dividend yield. So given the choice between selling 2 shares, one which is undervalued and one which is overvalued, it would be better to sell the shares that are overvalued. Is it no longer a quality stock? Remember, the first 10 rules of simply investing have to do with quality. So if a company starts to fail some of these 10 rules, that might be a good reason for selling the stock. Are there better opportunities elsewhere? Let's take a look at 2 examples, company A and B. Both companies are in the same sector. Both companies have the same payout ratio and debt. However, if you look closely, you can see that the dividend yield is much higher for company B. The dividend growth and the earnings per share growth is much higher for company B. So all things considered equal, you would be better off selling your shares in company A and buying shares in company B. So these are the 4 reasons why you may consider selling some of your shares. But if you have no reason to sell, you're better off keeping your quality dividend-paying stocks that have a history of growing dividends, because these stocks in the long term will put more money in your pocket. Now, what if you've decided to still sell some of your shares? How do you decide which shares to sell? Well, we're going to cover that in a real-life example in the next lesson. That's the end of Lesson 20. I will see you in the next lesson.